Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this series we are going to learn the use of array in Kotlin, how we can create the array in Kotlin and how we can use it. So let us start. First of all, we are creating a main function. Within a main we are going to create an array. For creating an array, just write this where name of the where array is called number and the what kind of array you want to create. For example, you want to create an int type of array, so we have to write int array. If you want to create a float array, then you can write float array. So any type of data which you want. For example, you want int is an int array. If you want float, then float array. If you want boolean, then boolean array. If you want character, then char array. If you want long, then long array. So each and every type of array you can create. Now you can initialize the size of this array. You can see int array, we have a float array also, we have a double array also. So we have all type of array. You see double array here. So any type of array you can make in Kotlin. So this is integer type, so int array. Size we are initializing here 5. So this is the one kind of method to create an array. Another type of method in a single line, you can say number 2. You can say f number equal to float array of size 5. You can see by using a 2-line you can create an array like this. So first of all, initialize the array, then give the size of the array like this. Otherwise you can give in a single line like this. This is the declaration plus initialization of array, also with the help of 5 element. Now we can take input from the keyboard. For getting input, we have to first of all create a variable gi for loop and then print ln enter number. So how many number you want to insert, you can give here. You can say number dot indice. So this is what, this is the how many number you want to insert. So we want to insert from 0 to 4. So 5 number you want to insert. So this particular things will display the number of element you want to insert. Now you can create for loop I in number dot indice. Okay, so it will display 0 to 4 time, and here we can give the number from the keyboard, read line exclamation mark to int. So we are converting these particular data into integer, because read line will read the data from the keyboard in character form. So we are converting this into integer type. Another, we want to insert float type of number, then print ln enter float number. Okay, how many number you want to insert a float? So we can say f number dot dollar first of all, then f number dot indice. Okay, like this we can, it will also display the number of element you want to insert. Again for loop, then I equal to 0, sorry, I in f number dot indice. Okay, it will return from 0 to, again we are getting, so f number and index and read line exclamation mark to float. This time we are converting into float. So these number have been inserted, one loop for integer, one loop for 4. Now we can print also, print ln The output of two array are okay. Then for loop I in number dot indice any, because both are 5 of length 5, so we can take any one. Then print ln integer array equal to plus number, and we can put the value. Again print ln float array equal to, then f number and I. So you can see by this way we can use array also, and we can run this program. First of all, we have to enter 5 integer value, then 5 integer 0 to 4. So 23, this one, this one, this one more. Again enter float number, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, now see the output. Integer array output, float array, float array, float array. So like this you can print the value of array also. So this is the example of array. If you want to read more about array, then go to my app on Google Play Store. Name of the app is Learn Kotlin with Zero Efforts. So you go to Google Play Store and download this app. You will read a lot more about array in this application. That's all for this.